Hey, what's up? Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your Android phone, well, specifically I'm using Samsung S10, but it should be the same, I guess, for most models. As long as you have developer options turned on. If you don't, I'll put a link to how to turn it on. And what we're going to do is make the phone run smoother, at least when you're switching between apps in and out and all that stuff. Or if you really want to be an asshole to your friends, you can enable developer options and make it super slow. And you're going to see what I mean right now. So let's get started. Let's get into the settings. We're going to scroll down where it says developer options. Click that. And now there's a whole bunch of commands, settings here. So we're going to scroll down all the way until we see this window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. And as you can see, it's all one time, 1x. That's how it's like set by default. So if you click into it, you can change it to 0.5. I'll change this one to 0.5, and I'll change this one to 0.5. So now when you go out of screens, it goes like super fast, as you can see. To go even further, you can actually turn it off completely, so it can go, I guess, even a little faster. But let me find where that was again. So we're going to go back here. We're going to put animation off, animation off, animation off. So now, as you can see, it's like instant. Now, if you want to be an asshole and mess around with your friends, you can always do this. Go back to that window animation scale, click on it, and click on 10x. You're going to see it's already going to start coming into effect right now. You see how slow it's going? 10x and 10x. Now, if I close this, it's going to take forever. If I like open up my email, for example, it takes forever. Phone forever. Like it just goes super slow. So I don't know, that's a pretty cool option in developer options where you can actually speed up the performance of your phone in a sense of like when you're going through and out of apps and stuff like that. That's how you do it. I'm just going to put on 0.5 to be honest. Like that, like that. And as you can see, it's a lot faster. So yeah, that's how you can speed up or slow down the performance of your phone. If you don't have developer options, like I said, make sure to check out the video how to turn it on. Super easy. You go to About Phone. I believe you go on software information until you find build number and hit that 7 times. Got to put in your PIN, and then the developer options will appear here below About Phone. So I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any further questions, let me know, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right, peace.